Oh my gosh. Lovely walk. What? Oh yeah, I'm lost. Oh gosh. Alex, you got yourself lost. Okay, let's find our way back. Okay, let's try and find my house. Let's see. Nah. What's that? I see street lights. Is this like a place I can ask where my house is? What the? What's that? Okay, yeah, that's the street light I saw. A random wall. And stairs. What's this? Ooh, this is nice. A little fountain. That's nice. What's over here? Huh. That's strange. Random fence, I guess? I don't know. Might have been here the whole day. Stairs. My greatest enemy. Ooh, almost there. What is this? This is a really cool house. Like really cool. Wow, wait, there's a car? A garage. Nice. I wonder whose house this is. Probably not mine. Let's see. Wow, there's a balcony. Or drop down. I'm gonna go inside. Check this place out from the interior. Okay, right when you walk in, ooh, place you can put your coffee and stuff while you watch some football, I guess, maybe some video games. I hope I'm not intruding. Probably am. Ooh, this is like a really nice natural place. Wait, wow. Hey, what's this? Oh, water slide. Oh. Gotta go back up. Gotta go. Whose house is this? Gucci. A water slide right out of their house. So cool. Okay, let's get back to the subject.
Where are you going? I'm going to see Pat and Val. How do I look? You look like one of those ladies in those old movies. Who asked you? Well, I think you look better in a brown skirt. Brush your hair back and put on your gold earrings. He's good. Oh, and can I get some pictures?
Okay, so, I'm gonna actually look around the house instead of playing around in this someone's like place. Bathroom. Nice. What was I here? One bedroom. What's down here? Ooh, a piano. Wow, I'm gonna get lost in this place. God. Computer, this other room. I don't know what's happening. I don't, it's help me. This is a weird spot. I feel like it's like a secret and I'm gonna fall through. I don't know, like what that is. Might be like some invisible block wall. What is this place? There's like no lighting at all. They're like going half bath in this room. Yeah. Go back up here. It's this place. Wow. These are some nice rooms. Really, they are. Okay, back to the piano room. No way. No. Oh my gosh, they have a movie theater. Wow. Wow. No way. No way at all. Nuh-uh. Wow. What's up here? I feel like there's gonna be something really cool. A fan. Okay, it's not really that cool, but yeah, it's a fan. Just wowing out. I'm going back upstairs. Yeah, I've been through there. Okay, I'm going back upstairs. Boom. Gosh, I feel like Jake Paul should be jealous of these people. It's really hard. Oh, no. There's another floor so wicked. Oh, gosh. I guess it's just supposed to be a chill out spot. I don't know, maybe. I think that's what it is supposed to be. Oh, I just realized this part. Oh, wow, swimming with the animals. So, wow. Gosh. So, is this like there's like no higher floors than this? Okay, let's see. Okay, go up here. Yeah, I've already been around here. So there's nowhere else to go? Let's see. That's basically exactly it. Wow. It is unexpected. It just from my house, my Patrick Star house, across from Genji's house, and just went on a walk, and now I come here. I'm gonna go to that movie theater. I'm gonna watch Taken 3. I'm joking. I'm gonna watch. What to watch? Is somebody? Oh wait, this part. No, I'm listening to this. What to watch? What to watch? I watch the fast, and the craft and the blockiest. Yeah, that's good.